Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2010 Question 2a. This is an angle of depression problem involving a boat and a vertical cliff. The question says the angle of depression of a boat from the midpoint of a vertical cliff is 35 degrees. The boat is 120 meters away from the foot of the cliff. We are asked to calculate the height of the cliff. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The angle of depression is measured downward from the horizontal line at the observer's point. Here, the observer's point is the midpoint of the cliff. The useful right triangle is triangle BFM. The base, BF, is 120 meters. The vertical height, FM, is x. The angle at the boat is 35 degrees. We want to find x, which is the height from a foot of the cliff to the midpoint. From triangle BFM, we use tangent because we know the adjacent side and we want the opposite side. With respect to the 35 degrees angle, 10 is the opposite side and 120 is the adjacent side. So we write tan of 35 degrees equals x over 120. This prepares us for the next step. Tan of 35 degrees equals x over 120. X equals 120 tan of 35 degrees. X equals 120 tan of 35 degrees. Tan of 35 degrees, 0.7002. X equals 120, 0.7002. X equals 84.0249 meter-centimeters. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. M is the midpoint of the cliff. FM equals x. Now remember, the question says the angle of depression is from a midpoint of the cliff. That means x is only half of the full cliff height. So the full height of the cliff is 2x. Height of cliff equals 2x. So this simplifies to equals 284.0249. Substitute. X equals 84.0249. The full height of the cliff is 284.0249 equals 168.0498 meters. 168.0498 meter-centimeters. $168.05 meter-centimeters. Therefore, the height of the cliff is 168.05 meters. Angle of depression equals 35 degrees. Implies angle of elevation at the boat equals 35 degrees. Tan of 35 degrees equals x over 120. X equals 120 tan of 35 degrees. X equals 84.0249 meter centimeters. Height of cliff equals 2x. To summarize, we changed the angle of depression into an equal angle of elevation at the boat. Then we used tangent to find the height from the foot of the cliff to the midpoint. Since this was only half of the cliff height, we doubled it to get 168.05 meters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.